Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed.
What's up, y'all? Me and Juicy are up. We're about to get dressed and start our day. I don't think I'm getting much done until Hakeem gets home because, excuse me, y'all, because Juicy is being like super clingy today. But the goal for today is to work on this closet, organize everything in here, get stuff looking presentable. And yeah, so I got a lot of stuff in here. My nail stuff, my hair stuff, shoes kind of thrown, extra socks that need to be folded up, just a lot of different stuff that need to happen today. But for now, I think what I'm gonna do is sit down and do some work. Got some CPNs that need to be completed, got homework, got an application that needs to be completed, just a whole plethora of things. So I'm gonna sit down and do that stuff first because Juice is not gonna let me start my day, obviously, until I have some help. So all right, guys, let's get this day started.
Just trying to help you out. But you and I used to be on my but I think you're gonna tell. If you don't, you can come over here.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad.
All right, y'all. I just got out the shower. I can confirm that brush is the truth. And now I'm gonna blow dry my hair, do some homework, and me and Juicy gonna take it in for a night. I am tired, y'all. Juice really showed out today. Like, she has had a ball today. So if you made it to this far in my video, thanks for watching. If you like my content, make sure you subscribe and stick around and check out my review on this blow dryer that I got from Amazon. The links will be in the description and also on my storefront now. So all right, good night, y'all. See y'all later.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in